Hey there! You own a business, don't you? Small to mid-size? Then you'll definitely want to hear more about SAP Business One. I promise I'm going to give you a real glimpse of the solution and will limit my use of buzzwords to a minimum. You've probably already been told that SAP Business One offers an affordable way to manage your entire business across the world in multiple languages, from sales and customer relationships to financials and operations. It's designed with flexibility in mind to streamline processes that are most relevant to your company. Let me show you what it can do for your sales teams in their daily job. Take a look at the sales analysis, for instance. You can get an overview of your entire business's activity across a selected time frame. After an important trade show, perhaps. Here, sales opportunities and quotation generation, along with delivered sales orders and who on your team sealed the deals. Let's zoom in on the details. Aha! Well, that's not good. Lots of leads were entered, but there weren't very many follow-up quotes and even fewer orders. Oh, and plenty of the leads have crucial information missing. Let's fix this. At the next event, use SAP Business One's Scan Card app to quickly record every lead's full details. SAP Business One's bot will remind sales reps to follow up leads shortly after the event. In SAP Business One, everything is connected. You can simply generate the quote for the lead directly from the follow-up activity. And thanks to SAP Business One's strong integration capabilities, for example with Microsoft 365, it's easy to email this quote directly to the lead. Obviously, you and your team will want to keep track of the progress, and not just out of curiosity. Hey, their bonus depends on it, right? Let's launch the relationship map that shows the progress of a deal from quote to payment. Looking good. This quote has been invoiced and paid. Bonus sorted. If you're a small business planning to grow, then your next move should be SAP Business One. Streamline processes, act on timely information, and drive profitable growth. Because every business is different, SAP Business One is designed with the flexibility to fit your business too.